Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the Janome 4300QDC-B Sewing and Quilting Machine, a versatile tool designed for both sewing enthusiasts and quilters alike. This machine seeks to meet a variety of sewing needs, providing a balance between functionality and user-friendly operation. Included with the machine is a bonus quilt kit, which adds value for those looking to embark on quilting projects. At first glance, the Janome 4300QDC-B presents a sleek and modern design, fitting seamlessly into a variety of home settings. Its compact size makes it an excellent choice for those with limited workspace, while still offering a robust set of features suited to a wide range of projects. The machine features a built-in stitch selection, allowing users to choose from 30 different stitch options. This versatility is particularly beneficial for sewers who appreciate the ability to customize their projects, whether they involve quilting, garment making, or home decor. One of the standout features of this machine is its automatic needle threader, which simplifies the often tedious task of threading the needle. This function is complemented by an easy-to-use drop-in bobbin system that helps facilitate smooth sewing without the hassle of complicated setup. The machine also boasts a generous sewing speed of up to 1,000 stitches per minute, enabling users to complete projects more efficiently. For those focused on quilting, the Janome 4300QDC-B comes equipped with a variety of quilting feet and a quilting guide. These additional tools are designed to enhance quilting precision and ease, making the machine a strong contender for quilt makers at any level. Moreover, the adjustable presser foot pressure allows for better handling of diverse fabric types, which is particularly helpful when working with thicker layers or specialty materials. In terms of usability, the machine features a clear LCD screen that displays stitch settings and allows for easy navigation through options. This thoughtful inclusion makes it accessible to both beginners and more experienced sewers who may appreciate the straightforward interface. In conclusion, the Janome 4300QDC-B Sewing and Quilting Machine with its bonus quilt kit presents a compelling option for those looking to enhance their sewing and quilting experience. With its range of features, efficient operation, and user-friendly design, it serves as a reliable companion for various sewing projects. Whether you are piecing together a quilt or creating a garment, this machine offers a foundation that encourages creativity and skill development in sewing.